From the providers, RizzQi comes in 7 colors. We're reviewing black, comes nicely packaged. It has a handle and a shoulder strap wrapped around that you simply remove and strap around and carry. It measures 10 inches by 18 inches maximum. It is easy to open and operate. It has plastic feet on the bottom, 2 holes, and 2 holes on top that you simply grab, rotate to lock. As we open up the maximum height by pulling, locks into place, place down, and sit. The unit's weight is 2 pounds with a maximum capacity of 400 pounds. Simply grab the 2 holes, pull, and close. A nice close-up look at opening up and closing. A foldable stool for camping, hiking, biking, by the boat, take out of the car in the RV, take with the bicycle, scooter, anywhere imaginable. Shoulder strap, hand strap. Velcro, so it's easy to remove. For gardening, simply open up to the height you want and place down and sit and do your gardening work. Open to the height you want. Small stool to a large stool to do your work for all your needs. Simple to open and extend by grabbing and pulling. You have your portable stool. Rugged, strong, lightweight, 2 pounds, your stool. Enjoy your portable stool. Thank you for viewing.